Styccobond F3 is a high-strength adhesive with good wet grab for securing a wide range of fibre-bonded and Hessian, felt and secondary backed carpets. Highly absorbent subfloors may cause rapid drying of the adhesive, greatly reducing the open time. To prevent this, first apply dilute stopgap P131 primer and allow to dry thoroughly before proceeding with the installation. Holding the trowel at an angle of 60 degrees, spread the adhesive evenly over an area of subfloor that can be covered whilst the adhesive remains receptive and gives good transfer. On absorbent surfaces, lay the floor covering immediately. With deeply profiled or rough-backed floor coverings, it may be necessary to apply extra adhesive to ensure good contact. In such cases, use a 3mm by 6mm V-notch trowel. This will reduce the coverage quoted. Some unitary-backed carpets also require the large notch trowel. Following the floor covering manufacturer's laying instructions, lay the floor covering onto the adhesive and press from the center outwards to exclude air and ensure overall contact with the adhesive. Roll with a 68 kg flooring roller from end to end and from side to side to ensure overall contact. On foam-backed floor coverings, use a glider. 30 minutes after the floor has been completely covered, roll or use the glider as necessary to ensure overall contact is maintained.